Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be, and welcome to another video. Today, summer is here. The sun is kind of out. It's pretty warm. We got a t-shirt on. So we're gonna go to a pick your own farm and see what we can pick or our own. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So we're heading off to Iver, which is next to Uxbridge in Greater London, to Copas farm. So let's get in the car and drive down there right now. So we have finally arrived at the pick your own farm, so let's get to it. So it's very sunny today, very sharp sun because we're halfway through the day. So we've put the ND filter on. Strawberries are looking good. There's strawberries here on the ground. Apparently some strawberries on the little higher up bushes as well, and potentially some gooseberries, cherries and asparagus. So we're going to go check those out now. So just out of curiosity, this is very close to Heathrow Airport, and we have a nice beautiful BA A380 taking off there. As you can see, these bushes, which are kind of at arm level, are still green. Plenty of strawberries, however, on these strawberry patches on the ground, and we've started to collect some already. One thing I don't get about this place is strawberries currently, and this is of June and July 2022, strawberries are £5.80 per kilo, which I believe, and put in the comments down below, I think that's more expensive than it is in a shop. So why would I come here, drive, waste petrol, have to pick them myself to get some strawberries? Yeah, sure, I'm sure it's the cost of coming here, having the fun factor, etc. But nonetheless, it is still more expensive. My opinion should be a little bit cheaper or the same as in the supermarket. So here's what I mean. On this little kind of stand, easy to pick, no need to bend over or anything, and just come and take one and enjoy. So we're gonna go, this is a no entry, so we have to go from the other side, probably through the greenhouse, because it's the beginning of the season, so there's only specific places currently that you can pick. Bear in mind, entrance here is £4, which you have to pre-book online, plus a 25p booking fee for the online ticket. So it's £4.25 per person, and you have to pick in advance the date and your time slots, and I believe the time slots are every 15 minutes. So I think we have enough strawberries, what we need at the moment, because we don't want too much, otherwise we're going to waste them. So we're going to go and check out what else is here available currently at the beginning of the season. Alright, so now we have found the gooseberries. Nice few rows of gooseberries. I don't know about you, but I don't eat them whole. I kind of bite them in the middle and then suck all the juicy liquid out. Like that. Right, at the moment, these are very sour, but they look amazing. And the last thing we're going to go check out is on the other side of the road, which is the asparagus. So once we've got enough gooseberries, then we'll go across the road and check out if there's any asparagus left. One other thing that we just spotted here is red currant and black currant. So let me show you those right now. Now Now this video might be a little bit all over the shop, but there's one main reason for it. One, we're testing out the wind noise reduction with the standard dead cat on the camera, but also we're also testing how to film run and gun in shutter priority mode. So we keep a 1/50th shutter on 24 frames a second, and we let the camera decide the f-stop and the ISO. So let me know down in the comments below how this video has turned out in your opinion. Looks like there's cherries as well, which we forgot about on the farm today. So this concludes our short trip to the Copas farm in Iver next to Uxbridge. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you next time, everybody. Goodbye for now.